Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, "The real righteousness is not this, that you turn your face towards east or west. Yes, the real virtue is this, that one has faith in Allah and the last day and the angels and the book and the prophets, and gives his dear wealth for love of Allah to kindred and orphans and the needy and the wayfarer and the beggars, and for redeeming necks, and establishes prayer and pays poor due zakat, and the performers of their promises when make promise, and the patience in tribulation and adversity and embarrassment. These are they who prove truth of their talks, and they are only God-fearing." Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 177. Further said, "Undoubtedly, the believers got the salvation." Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 1. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Faith has more than 60 branches, and modesty is also one of the branches of faith." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 9.